Today we'll demonstrate the correct installation of the Dam Easy flood barrier with extension pole. Begin by taking the extension pole and it into the anchor base using the taper as guide. Confirm that the barrier slots are facing the correct direction for the barriers. Tighten in the top T-bar, making a good seal with the ground. Confirm that the barrier slots are facing the correct direction for the barriers. Next, roll the patchet material to about the thickness of your finger and press it into the bottom corner of the doorway. The patchet is not required at the base of the extension pole because this already has a chamfer to match the corner of the barrier. Then press the patchet firmly into the opposite corner of the doorway. You are now ready to fit the two barriers. Now loosely position the first barrier between one side of the doorway and the extension pole. You may need to extend it until it just touches both the doorway and the extension pole. Do not tighten the ratchet at this stage. You can now fit the other barrier in place on the other side of the extension pole, but do not tighten it yet. Next, you should use the ratchet to alternatively tighten both barriers evenly, without applying much pressure to either side of the extension pole. When both barriers are starting to get tight, you should now use one pull of the ratchet on each barrier, moving from one to the other alternately until they are both tightened sufficiently and wedged between the doorway and the extension pole. Finally, use the pump to inflate the seals on both barriers until the pressure gauge needle reaches the green area and turn off the air retention valve. Your barriers are now correctly fitted and ready to protect your doorway. These fitting instructions also apply to multiples of barriers and extension poles. If you require any assistance, please visit our website at dameasyfloodbarriers.com or call our Florida telephone number 904-404-0429.